Welcome back to our weekly update. I'm Charlotte McLeod with the Investing News Network, and I'm here to give you a quick look at our top stories for the week. The gold price was on the rise this week, breaking through the long-awaited $1,900 per ounce mark on Thursday. After starting the 5-day period around 1850, the yellow metal rose to just below 1880 on Monday. It dipped back down to the 1850 level the next day before beginning a slow but steady ascent of about $50. Experts have identified a slew of factors that are moving the gold price right now, but perhaps the most obvious is tensions between Russia and Ukraine. The situation is developing quickly, but it's clear that gold is benefiting from its safe haven status. It's no secret that market participants often turn to precious metals during times of turmoil. I heard from Christian of CPM Group this week, who said he expects to see continued volatility, not only in gold but also in the larger financial markets. When asked how investors should approach this uncertainty, he said while it's possible to trade gold price fluctuations, everyone needs to consider their own goals and limitations. A long-term approach is better for many people, and given the issues beyond Russia and Ukraine, it's probably a good idea right now to own more gold than less. With this week's gold price move in mind, we asked our Twitter followers a simple question. What will the precious metal do next? Go up, go down, or consolidate? The poll was ongoing at the time of this recording, but most respondents said they think it will rise. We'll be asking another question on Twitter next week, so make sure to follow us and share your thoughts. While geopolitical tensions can cause gold price spikes, it's worth noting that they're often just that, relatively short-lived jumps. I also heard recently from Andy Sheckman of Miles Franklin, who shared his thoughts on other underlying factors that should push the yellow metal higher in the long run. Andy has major concerns about inflation and the U.S. Federal Reserve's path forward. He believes that the central bank will raise interest rates a little in an effort to tame inflation, but then go back to lowering rates and taking further stimulus efforts. Andy sees gold as a source of protection, but he thinks silver is a generational opportunity. He referred to the white metal as the most undervalued asset on the planet due to growing demand and a lackluster supply picture, and he warned investors that it's becoming more and more challenging to source silver. His concluding advice? Look at precious metals as wealth and start to de-dollarize. That's all for this week. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates and interviews. You can also follow us on social media or click below for our free report or any article mentioned in this video. We'll see you next time.